Welcome to today's episode of the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. We're starting to run out of shit. We don't need this. Or this. Or this. Sourdough. I think this is provolone. Pretty sure this is mozzarella. And this better be ham. So yeah, we're starting to run out of stuff. We got a grab bag from a purveyor in town called Food Related. They partnered with a restaurant called Olive and June who do this for service industry workers, but there are other organizations doing this service industry. So let's do it. We gonna make a ham and cheese. I want to make a croque monsieur or a croque madame, but I'm out of eggs and I don't feel like making bechamel, so we just gonna make a fancy grilled cheese, okay? Wait, we need one more thing. Softened butter. This is like the easiest fancy grilled cheese you can make. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be good. 2 slices of bread. With 2 pieces of bread, you want to butter them first. Don't melt butter in the pan and do that. It melts. It doesn't get in everywhere. You melt the butter like this. You get it all nice and crispy, and it's delicious. We gonna make layers. All right, layers. 2 fat slices of cheese. Load up on that hamon. Here's the important part. We're gonna put more ham. You gotta put cheese in between the ham. More ham. And then more cheese. Butter on the outside. Cold pan, sandwich. Pan on the burner. Medium-low heat. Cover it and wait about 5 minutes. It's important to keep that lid on for those 5 to 7 minutes, otherwise your thick boy won't melt. Because if the cheese doesn't melt, you have cold cheese and a hot crust, and it's gross. You don't want that. It's gross. 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 Hey, it's me from the future. Don't forget to flip it. Once your cheese is all melty all the way through, you want to take that lid off and turn your broiler on. Broiler is probably the most underrated tool in any home kitchen. You should use it more. Trivet. Hot pan. Cover that bad boy in mozzarella. Broiler. And depending on your broiler, it's only going to take like 3-4 minutes. Don't burn it. That top is all nice and brown. Take it out of the broiler. For just watch this next part. Bam! Okay, I'm done lying to you. This really is just a fancy grilled cheese. There's nothing special about it. Broiled some cheese. It's good, alright? It's like a grilled cheese, but like, grilled cheese is like actually already kind of here in my book. This is here, alright? Just go. Come here. Look. Come. Thanks for watching the Apocalypse Cooking Channel.